What's up, happy people? Y'all ready to make a breakfast smoked turkey sandwich made from leftovers? I am. All right, guys. So we just smoked a turkey the other day, and we're gonna do a little leftovers. So we got a nice little butter pan here. Got a couple smoked white meats that I cut up in little pieces. And we got some eggs. Throw some eggs in there, get some eggs frying, and see if we can't make a good breakfast sandwich. Just kind of, just a little bit, mix it up there. Put a little salt and pepper if you like, maybe a little bit of milk. Everybody likes their eggs a little bit different. There we go. A little bit of salt. Pepper. She's working. She is working over there. Let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so now we got the cheese, I got the turkey, I got all that stuff in there. It's getting pretty good. We're gonna want to try and fold her. Just gonna go up around the edges here. And that's probably a little tough to try and get it there, but there you can see, you can just fold it over a little bit and it'll keep falling in love. I'm going to reduce heat down a little bit. Actually, just go ahead and turn it off. Just let that simmer down to 10. And going to throw a little bit of Everglades on there, all-purpose seasoning. Don't be scared of it. It's delicious. Like just a little bit on the top. That's it. That's all you need. If you want more, get more. If you don't, I mean, that's me. That's what I got. That's what I like. It's doing pretty good in there. Everything's falling in love and melting. There goes melting. Basically, I got a little bit of some Pepperidge Farm butter bread. We're gonna do some toast here. So just slip it on there, grab some butter, flip it over there, grab a little bit of butter. All right. Right there, a little bit of butter, flip it over. All right, and just let that sit. All right, as you can see, the toast is now darkened. Well, like that one's all the way done. Let's get that one more. All right, so we got it on there. Finally ready for that. Put it on there. We'll go ahead and cut right down the middle. And there you have it. This is probably the best breakfast sandwich you'll ever have after Thanksgiving. Perfect for Black Friday shopping or getting ready for the game. It's just got cheese, a little bit of salt and pepper, the smoked turkey that we did, and just a little bit of some buttered up toast. Now, I mean, nothing up to it. Glad to do it. The smoky flavor with the egg is just absolutely delicious. I mean, so good. Absolutely delicious. Smoked turkey with the egg. Can't go wrong. It's soft. It's smoky. It's hearty. It's cheesy. It's the crust is just got the perfect crunch with butter added to it. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the final product. I know I did. Absolutely delicious. There's still another half here if somebody wants it. Let me know if you want it. I'll send it to you. Thanks for stopping by the channel today and seeing what we do with our turkey leftovers. Like and subscribe, comment on the channel. Let me know what you want to do next. I might do a lunch version of it, like a grilled cheese turkey instead of just the egg on there, but never know. Just let me know what you guys think and what I should do next.